Today I'm gonna unbox 2 packages, and in each package is a set of front coil springs, struts, H&R lowering struts springs for E36. I don't know what's inside because I more or less bought those sight unseen online. Someone was giving them away for free basically. So the only thing I really had to pay was the freight, and let's open it up and see what we find. Package open. Here we are. Right. Get it a little bit crusty. Okay, so this is a set of H&R struts, but it looks like the springs have been painted. I don't know. Yeah, this looks kind of weird. Ah, here's the marking. Actually, H&R lowering springs. Okay, I'll have to see what that means, what model they are. Okay, even got the rear one. Okay, excellent. Oh, that's sweet. I have to look for what model this is, E36, but yeah. So this is one set, 1002. Yeah, that has some play. That probably should be replaced. The top strut mount bearing. This one has been mishandled. Definitely needs, well, actually it doesn't even have any. Just noticed that it's void of a strut top bearing. Okay, no problem. I have different ones, just needs to be cleaned up. They don't seem like they're leaking. That's the first package. Let me open the second package and see what's inside there. Okay, second package is actually quite easy to open. Just lift off the top, and here we go. Another set of front struts, H&R. They actually look to be in much better condition, if I may say so. So there's a set of rear springs. That's nice. And check these out. Basically the same as the other ones, but the shocks or the struts look to be in better condition. So yeah, there's some play. Yeah, those are done. They're done. But that's not a problem. Second one. This one is actually in good condition. At least not so much play. So we got basically 2 sets of front struts, lowering spring, H&R, with 1 set of rear springs. I'm gonna see for what model this number is. If it fits my car, I'm just gonna clean them up, put new top bearings, because these are done, but I have another fresh set. And then I'll see what I will do with this. Maybe put them in my touring, get it lowered a little bit, we will see. But yeah, basically it was free, except for the shipping costs. So all in all, not a bad deal, I think.